Hello, I'm Shan Li. Let me show you how to use this plugin called NB 3D Map. After opening the plugin, you can switch the language next to the finger icon. In this interface, you can select a country or region. If you want to locate quickly, then you can enter the area name in the search box in the lower left corner. This tool also provides other ways to open the map. One is to draw CVG in Figma yourself and click this button to import it into the plugin. The other is to upload a GeoJSON map file. I will explain these in detail in other videos. I will use Argentina as an example. Click on it and a 3D map will appear. Then, click on the first icon from the left above. To change the interface size, you can choose the appropriate size according to the size of your monitor. Now, this map is facing us. You can switch the perspective of the map by holding down the left mouse button and moving it. If you want to zoom in on the map, scroll the mouse wheel up. Conversely, scroll the wheel down to zoom out. Next, I will demonstrate the basic settings on the map. First of all, the global settings. Expand it and click on Basic Settings, where you can change the background color of the map. You can select from the color palette or enter color values. You can also upload your own picture as the background. Just click this button. Okay, I'll change the background color back so that you can focus on the map. The following two settings can control the location of the map. Click the button below to return the map to the center. Then this button can rotate the map. Set the value to 0 to restore it to its original state. Next, look at the map tile settings. First, we can adjust its thickness, which looks stunning. Then adjust the map color. You can turn it into any color you want. This button adjusts the opacity. Let's pay attention to the usage of the following three settings. They are used to change the color of the side of the map. Let me switch the angle so you can see it more clearly. When the side color type is the default solid color, just set the color directly in the side color below. If you change the side color type to gradient, the side of the map will look like this. If you choose the third option, then you have to set two colors, so that the side will fade from one color to the other. I restore the side to the initial state. And then look at the line settings. Let me zoom in on the map first. Okay, the lines of the map don't need to be displayed. Just remove the checkbox. Click and move the mouse to adjust the line width. You can also set the line color and opacity. The last one is to adjust the distance between the line and the ground. This 3D map uses lights. Now, I will introduce to you how to set up the lights. First, the main light can be moved. Sorry, I just accidentally selected this text. I clicked on it to unselect it. As I move the main light, you can see the light change on the map. Below are the lights in each direction. If you want to turn off the lights in a certain direction, just change the value to 0. What should I do if I want a certain area on the map to be highlighted? The answer is in the Select settings. When the mouse clicks on this area, it is selected. Then click here to increase its thickness and change its color to make it stand out more. After the operation is completed, click the mouse again to cancel the selection. I will select another area and give you a demonstration again. As for why the text did not rise accordingly, I will explain it in the video of the text episode. Click this button to restore the selected area. Select another one, restore it. Click once, unselect it, and that's it. When the map editing is completed, you can click the button above to download the image. Downloading N format will retain the currently edited style. If you choose CVG, it is a flat vector picture, and there is no trace of just editing. The following one is saved GIF. I will demonstrate this in the animation episode video. If you want to edit your map again next time, you can click here to save the file locally. Click it and the browser will download it. If you want to continue editing next time, just click this button and click Read Local File. In addition to downloading directly, you can also insert it into Figma. Click this button. I choose standard size and no background. The Figma is now inserted. I can see it by moving the plug-in interface away. The basic functions of NBMap have been demonstrated. If you need to know more functions, please check the next video episode. Thanks for watching.